Hi all, I have this very old Galaxy S8 phone and the battery does not hold charge for a long time. I think it's more than 10 years this phone, and you can see that it is going very quickly down, and I bought this battery and I wonder if I could repair it myself. I will do my best. And disclaimer, I'm not expert. I don't know how to do it in the best way, and you're doing it on your own risk, as I'm doing it in all my videos. And I really more, let's say, break in phones than succeeding to recover them, but this is a risk that I would take if it's an old one that I'm using for a few softwares that I'm using, and basically I need it. So I'm doing my best. I will hopefully will be able to fix it and replace it. The process is not very complicated, let's say, but you need to have some skills. I have some skill because I was repairing and taking apart in my life for many years many things. This is why I more confident of doing it. That's all. So the battery is from, you can see there is the date, it is from March 2022. And for sure the battery inside is about 10 years. And the process is, it is now downloading a new software. The process is to heat the cover and then take it out, and then you have many screws to remove something, and then you can get to the battery and replace. There is a connector, but the first thing, of course, is to discharge the battery of your phone. Okay, so it is now updating and the battery is about 20%, something like this, so I can restart soon. And it came with all the accessories to remove the battery, and I have also this vacuum, the big one, so it's in a process, to remove the back cover. But first thing, you need to heat it, and I will heat it to 100 degrees. I have a tool from AliExpress. This is the handle, so I just set the temperature and heat it. And okay, almost 30%. Let's see, 30%. I would say it's a safe capacity to start working. And just will continue the update till it will be finished, and then I will start to heat. You are not heating from the screen side but from the back cover, so you need to heat the back cover on all the sides in order to remove and heat the glue all over, and then you are just using these vacuums to take it up, and from the side gently you remove the parts that are glued together. So I'm just going to try to do it myself, and of course work with the phone turn off. Of course, this is very important. You don't want to ruin it totally, so I will just power it off and then I will start the process. So after doing it very patiently, you need to be very patient with these things going a little over the edge and hitting it up. I could take it apart with this very simple vacuum that came with it. It's good enough. The camera also got out because it was glued, so I very gently put it back. Now I need to remove all the screws of the cover, and it should go up, and I will try to do it now. Okay, it seems I got to the battery itself. There is a connector, the same connector that came, of course, with the new battery, hopefully. So just use your plastic tool and take it up. Again, this is the first time I'm doing it, so I really don't know that I'm doing everything right. Aha. Okay. Also this part, I disassemble the screws for it. And now I think I need to hit again the battery in order to take it up somehow. Because for sure it is glue, and there are the antenna cables that are going very close to the battery. So I wonder if it is maybe better to disassemble these antenna plugs, because it would be pretty hard not to damage them. So there is the blue here. This is just a connector. And the right one. Yeah, now I think it's better to try to take it out like this. Maybe you don't need to take the antenna cable, because I see, but I think it's better to do it this way. Now I need to heat the battery, and maybe I can try to lift it up. Now I think I will have to heat the battery now. So I will heat it with my heating gun again, and hopefully it will go out straight up. Okay, so after a long process I succeeded to remove the old battery. It is sticky with a glue, but I don't think I will use a glue in order to put the new one. I will just it is not coming with any glue, so I will just put it just like this, and original, don't know if this is true, and just connect it. Yeah, the old battery is okay. Now the new one. Let's maybe start with align the connector, and then put the battery. Holy shit. Now it is connected well, you see. So, okay, now it is, I am sure now it is okay. So now I will do the reverse in order to close everything back and try to see if it works. Okay, so I've noticed when closing that this is the charging coil, and here you have the speaker. So if you are trying to power it up when it's off, you will not hear any sound. So hopefully the camera is not yet connected. This will be the last step. But let's see if it power up, and if I succeed. Yeah, it looks like I've succeeded. And of course, last step is to check that it is also charging, and the camera and everything. About complexity to do it from 1 to 10, I would say this is definitely 8, not because the complexity, more the possibility to break every part when you are doing it. So this is anyway what I think about it. Let me know what you think in the comment. Let's check that it is also charging after doing all this process. Yeah, So it looks like it is charging now, and yeah, I can measure the current, 1.3 amp. This is definitely okay. The cable is very long here, so maybe it can charge in higher current if the cable is better, but overall I think this is a success. I will now close the camera and check that everything else is working, but anyhow it looks like it is okay. So definitely not here. Where is the camera here? I would like to check the camera. Not really using this phone. But overall, yeah, it looks, definitely looks okay. And camera. Yeah, we have here a camera. Yes, the camera is working also, and the other camera is not connected. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.